hadu news pa san sa point riu klur tingka lalum khajna ban penmi pisai ke sarkar jela no do yong bat kiwe pat kimar po khndo hakilai snam baladam ya kanela pentip do ba singau balang daru menteri ke sarkar jela ba jubab ya jingkli no thau an ko all india trinamool congress narang sangkona uzinit sangma ha kanta kli jingkli ha si basan ke dorbar mang tingka ke yeng dorbar thau an ke jela ha ka shipho tarik ber arajar arwar halo ka jingpha ya ka jingyo pisa na khajna ba singau balang dar ulo ong ban do yong nyup san persen ke de benta ke sarkar jela bat 8% ke de ki autonomous council bat kiwe pat kimar po khndo kolong 3% yak sarkar jela bat 100% ya ki district council ulo ong ba ke sarkar jela kala pelai ke pisa ke bolong arspa khandai point live khandai klur tingka shaki lightly ki district council kebrangsa kadai arpoi point we klur tingka kata ar klur yak ki hdc bat khatpra point khatpra klur tingka yak gentle satu district council ulai thu ba san klur tingka la dep sio shaka garo hill satu district council halor ke new zenet lopun pau ke jing sokhia nomor kinong tre ha GHC kimyo jing sio mentala laisnam nakaliang menteri ulo ong ba yak pisa ke barang sakut la persang ban pentulun chat da khatnat bat sen on supply no
Star question 51A. So the total revenue collections from the major minerals like coal during the years 2019, 2020, 2020 and 21 and 2021-22 is rupees 754 crore 6,40,565. B, Mr. Speaker. So the ratio of the revenue is for coal is 75% for state governments and 25% for the concerned autonomous district council. And for other major minerals, 40% for the state governments and 60% for concerned autonomous district council. C, Mr. Speaker. So the total amount entitled by the three ADC as revenue share during the 2019 and 2020 and 2020 and 2021 and 2021 and 2022 is rupees 174 crore 60,77,654. D. So the state government during 2019-2020 and 2020 and 21 and 2021 and 2022 has released a total amount of rupees 209 crore 39,36,458 to all three ADC, and the pending amount to be paid is 21 crore 1,25,236.
Mr. Speaker, sir. As the Honourable Minister, from the reply of the Honourable Minister, I could see the amount of revenue collected during 3 different financial years has been clubbed together. When we have indicated, while submitting the question, indicated for 3 different financial years, so it should have been highlighted in different for different respective financial years. Unnecessarily, it will just it will increase our supplementaries. But whatsoever, Mr. Speaker, sir, my question is, in the reply to D, whatever amount has been mentioned here, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister, separate in different financial years, that means 2019-20, 2021, 21-22, for different respective autonomous district councils may be highlighted. Meaning, whatever amount has been paid to different respective autonomous district councils and the pending.
Mr. Speaker, sir. For the year 2020 and Amount used to GHADC Gentils is 58 crore 58 lakhs 88,753, and for KHADC the balance is 15 crore 2 lakh 61,000.
That is balance.
It's balance.
Okay.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I just want to clarify once only. Detail is with me, so maybe if I give all detail may take some time, so I shall place it on the table of the House. But there is a little bit I would like to share, because maybe the Honorable want to see, because the pending the total amount is 174, but the release is 209. So for all the three council, because advance payment has been given to GHADC. As is the balance payment for this 21 crore is 283 lakhs 13,586 for KHADC. Balance to be
Mr.
paid.
Speaker, so just to save the time, the rest, the Honourable Minister may place on the table of the House all the informations. But what I orally want is, during these 3 financial years, as mentioned here, what is the amount already paid and pending for different autonomous district council? That may be that may be presented orally, so that it may generate some again some other questions, supplementaries.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the payable made is for all the 3 years is GHADC is 129 crore 8,883,447, and KHADC is 23 crore 2,94,406, and GHADC is 57 crore 27,53,706, and the balance payment is left for the KHADC is 2 crore 83 lakhs 13,587, and for GHADC's balance to be paid is 18 crore 18 lakhs 11,649. But for the GHADC's advance payment has been made. 55 crore 76 lakh 84,040 rupees.
Mr. Speaker, sir, whatever amount is being pending to be paid to the respective autonomous district councils, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister as to when this balance due will be paid to the autonomous district councils. Because why I'm asking this, because it is very important. In GHADC, Girls Autonomous District Council, the employees have not been getting salaries for about 3 years, more than 30 months. So, and from the central funding, there is no component for paying of salary. I think they are completely dependent on the revenue that are being generated to the respective ADCs. So I would like to know as to when this balance due payment due will be paid to the respective ADCs.
Mr. Speaker, sir, all the pending payments to the remaining district council, we are processing with the finance department now. Will be clear as soon as the process is completed. It's already lying with the finance department, all the balance payment.
Sir, as soon as it is possible, means it may be 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years also. So tentative timing, may I know from the Honourable Minister?
Mr. Speaker, I think it's at the earliest possible.